thanks from above. I am okay. Anyway, hey guys, what's up today? Today I'm going to be filming a fridge mukbang. We're just going to be going around the house, eating as much as we can. It's going to be pretty cool. We have some grapes with hay coming up pretty soon. First, grapes. Of course, we eat some. I'm gonna dip this. Down. Down. Frick you, fridge. Frick the fridge. Well, cold. Goldfish with pay. If you don't like it, you can leave. Alright, let's see. We have a cat. Alright, let's just eat, you know? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna sit down in here. Bear with me. This is not my first time doing buddy time with a cat. Yeah. Alright, I can't reach the goldfish from where I'm sitting because it's over there. Alright, let's just set my film. Alright, it should be nice. There you go. One. Here. I think she wants some, so I'm gonna put it there. See what she does. Eat it, dumb cat. You're stealing my ASMR show. Why is she stealing my ASMR show? I'm not very happy with you. Star of the show. You know what? Rare. I just punched the cat. She's still my ASMR show.